Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of RD Technical Learning. So in this video, I'll be telling you about the job opportunities for the software testers at the EPAM company. So EPAM company is going to have the walk-in drive for the below SDIT positions in Chennai on 7th and on 8th of December. So it would be face-to-face interviews. So if you are aware about automated testing, so automation testing job opportunities are increasing day by day. So if you know automation testing with .NET or with Python in mobile or with JavaScript, with Java, with these particular years of experience, starting from 3 years to 16 years, 3 years to 15 years. So mostly 3+ years of experience of walk-in drive is going to be happening. And you can share your CVs at this email address. Shortlisted candidates would be shared with the invite as well. So this particular walk-in drive is there in the Chennai, so you can apply for this particular positions. It's a very good position. And EPAM is one of the good growing company. You can see the job stability, you can see job security over there as well. In 2021, I think they have laid off nearly 98 to 100 people, but after that, the layoffs were not happening. And 2021 also, when every company was laying off in a very mass numbers, this company just laid off 95 to 100 people, but it is also not a good sign. But still, now this company has recovered, so you can apply for this walk-in drive, which is going to happen in the Chennai on 7th as well as on 8th of December 2024, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.